Right guys, we've received the Ledger Nano S cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Brand new, sealed, boxed. Oh, don't show you any numbers. Excited, very excited. Whoa, look at that. That's it. Ooh, have a look. Brand spanking new. Ooh. Little. Right, so what have we got? What is it? Ledger Nano S. Comes with little charger lead. Nice little keyring in that. Little holder thing. That's obviously the foam. The knife obviously didn't come with it. There's the ledger. Let's give it a little presentation. These are little things that come with the card. All your phrases and that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Happy crypto.